Hi guys, welcome to my very face. No. Hi everybody, I'm Gagacita, welcome to my channel, and in today's video what we're gonna do, so let me explain you a little bit. When I was on high school, I started to wear makeup. Honestly, I started to play with makeup way before high school. But I started to actually wear it outside with my friends when I was on high school. And what happened? I really didn't knew how to put makeup on my face. And you know, it was a long time ago. There wasn't YouTube to help me out, unfortunately. So I used to use my fingertips, and you won't believe, but many times I receive a lot of compliments about my makeup, which I look back right now and I am like, really though. And I used to use my fingertips, and today I was watching YouTube. I like to watch a lot of YouTube. I tend to watch more YouTube than television. I go back and forth between YouTube and Netflix. I don't really watch television anymore. So she was saying that using her fingertips is so easy and so fast. This was old video from Tati. I was thinking like, you know what, I used to do my makeup all using my fingers from the base to the eye. I can incorporate using my finger in my daily basis, but I don't want to transform this video in a challenge. Let's do my whole face using my fingertips. That's not my vibe. I don't really care for this kind of video. Yeah, full face of blah blah blah. And I was like, past. This video is not about it. It's about me trying to incorporate in my makeup routines new techniques, which I find really interesting. I am always trying to find a new technique and and now that I have a YouTube channel, you know what, I'm gonna share with you. I have already clean and hydrate my face, so I am nice and clean. I have clean hands, but you know what, I will put them on my face. So I will use my Born This Way foundation that I love this foundation so much, and I will use my fingertips to work it on my skin. I will grab this little palette here. I bought this one from AliExpress, and I will put my foundation here, and I will start to working my foundation in my face. I will use my finger as a beauty blender, you know. I will roll my finger into my face, and you know what, I use half of the pump. So next, I used less foundation than I usually use. I usually use 2 pumps of my Born This Way foundation. This is 1 pump, and the coverage is just amazing. But now my hands are really dirty. Honestly, it is taking me a little bit more of the usual, but I feel that it's because I am not used with this technique. Come closer, sis. I really like the way the foundation is working, and honestly you can use both hands, and I forgot about it. And you know what, I really like the coverage. With 1 pump I did my whole foundation. With honestly, usually I need 2 pumps to do my full face. Since I already noticed that with my hands I will need less product, I will put just I feel that it could be, and I will just make it blend. Oh my god, this feels so good. Whoa! Whoa, look at this. This is flawless. Guys, I really like the coverage. I'm gonna put some powder. There is no reason to use my hands with powder. Even the powder is going so well. I am just powdering my T-zone. Now I'm gonna use blush. My Murphy one, I am in love with this one. So don't come for me. They are really good. I'm gonna be using the shade Boss, the first here. Everything is going so smoothly over. I feel that I can actually be doing my everyday face using just the hands. It's even looking younger. I know. Today highlighter is gonna be this hyper real and glowing. I know that Brazilian YouTubers used, I don't know if they still do this, the highlighter with fingertips. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the center one, which is guiding glowing, and I will just do like this. Oh no, it's too strong. Oh yeah, you just need to blend it really well. And you know what, nothing is looking powdery, nothing is looking overdone. It's beautiful. The only thing is you cannot be precise with your fingertips. Just here. I don't know looking my makeup for you, but the base is just on point. Primer, I always use my fingertips. I wanna do a really easy look, so nothing, oh my gosh, nothing too much. It's just something really easy. First of all, my brows. Let me do my brows. I will start with a really fluffy brush just to define my crease. I have already done my primer, and underneath my brow bone I have already highlighted with my Blaufish from Colourpop. You know that I always use that shade. It's like I have only that. I don't feel with my fingers. I can just go ahead and do the whole crease. I have a really fat fingers, so I cannot do it, and I have long nails, so I cannot, sorry. I'm gonna be using this yellow shade here. This one is Tosca from Divina, and I will place this color just here close to my, yes, oh my god, this is powder AF. And I will put this color just here on my crease. Just, oh wow, this is, you know that yellow never works on dark skin. This yellow does. It's like the transition of my transition. Is this even a thing? I just made it up. I probably just, but you know me, that's okay. I'm gonna keep this brush on hand because this brush, it's amazing to blend. With my switch thing here, or if you don't have this one, just use a towel, or just use your pants. You're gonna be okay. Okay. I'm gonna use this color here, which is Bambi, this beautiful color here. I feel that this, it's a brown, but it's a so unique brown that you will never find in the market. It's beautiful. And I will use this one, smaller finger, because I have really large fingers and I don't want to talk about it, so okay, and I will try to show what I'm doing. I'm just doing the outer V like that, and then I will just push it a little bit here. They are not sisters. They are not even neighbors. They don't know each other at all, but we're gonna roll with it. I'm gonna try another finger. Yes, this is what I am with right now. And to clean this mess I will just use my fingers like that. And now I'm gonna back with my blending brush, and I wanna start to try to blend this mess here. With my finger I placed a lot of color, which is not ideal. It's kind of hard to blend, but we're gonna roll with it. Blending this match of eyeshadows, I just place the eyeshadow and then I go like that, doing like this kind of movement. I put no I drag it like that, like I am tapping the brush to blend it, and it's what's working to blend this whole mess. Now it's time for the fingers, to what everyone uses it for, which is for it's what everyone is used for, which is the shimmers. I'm gonna grab this gold one here. Yes, I'm boring and I'm gonna use gold. Sue me! She's pretty sister. But the edges here and here are too much clean, and I don't really like it. So we're gonna just tap it, and I'm gonna use a brush because I cannot get really close. It's like, take me please, take me please. We're gonna take this one, and with the brush I'm gonna place it in my inner corner. There is no way I can reach my inner corner. My nails are way too longer for this. And I'm gonna blend here into the yellow. The name of this beautiful bitch, it's La Fava. I don't know why I'm saying like that. I cannot handle it. La Fava. It's beautiful. Let me just clean the edges here. Where is my brush? My fat brush. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you the name of the brush. The brush is of course Sigma E38, the one that I'm using for the whole video. So, liner, mascara, falsies, and be right back. This is the eye look with the lashes. Now let's do the lower lash line using this color here, which is this one is called Grinch, and I'm gonna start placing this one here in my, oh wow, these shadows from the Vina are impressing me every day a little bit more. I wanna grab this palette here. This is an old one, but I really love this palette, and I'm gonna grab this shade here with the same brush. I will just clean this brush in the switcher because this is all about make things easy, and this is easy for me. So and you know what, this highlighter is too icy, so I'm gonna put a little bit here over this highlighter because it's too icy for me. I don't have any yellow eyeliner, I just have this one here, this jumbo eye pencil from NYX, and I'm gonna be using this one in my waterline. Okay, so I gonna do something to my hair, put a lipstick, and then I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna warm my skin a little bit more by using this Life is a Peach from Sleek. This is the final look, really easy peasy. Let's talk about the fingers technique. For the face, I really like the result. I feel that my skin is looking really beautiful and natural, and I use less product than usual. I like the way it applied my foundation and my concealer, but I don't love the way it applied my fingers applied my highlighter. Of course, this is my first time trying to put the fingers technique into my routine, so maybe I need to train a little bit more to find the best way to make my fingers work for everything. You know, everything you need to train until it's perfect, but I really like it for the face. For the eye, so for the shimmers, you already know fingers tips work perfectly fine for the shimmers, but for the matte part, it make my matte shadow look a little bit patchy and was really hard and time consuming try to blend this matte. So I will rather prefer just grab one blending brush, place and then blend like I always do. It's not a big... Will I include this technique in my makeup routine on the everyday basis? Yes and no. If I want to have a really dewy, natural looking skin, of course I will, because it's just fantastic the way my skin was looking like, and I really enjoyed. And I really enjoy the way my fingers applied the shimmer on my lid. Will I recommend this technique to everyone? I don't feel so. First of all, it's a beautiful technique, you just have to know how to do it. I will not recommend this one if you're a mom like me that have no time, that you need to out the door, gone! It's not, it's like that. See you in the next video. Bye bye!